Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today, I'm going to finally get around to doing this one. I purchased this kit in 1986 for one day, and well, one day is here. I'm going to finally build it. It was one of my favorites that I seen when I was in the store. It was at a local hobby shop that's still around today, and when I purchased this one, it was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. I have to get it. I have to build it. And that literally was 1986 right there. So I believe I've done an unboxing on this one, and I am taking the plastic off of it for the final time. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. Whoa, I forgot it was molded in yellow. Alrighty, that's a bright yellow. I don't know what color I'm going to paint it yet, but I'm very excited to get it completed and built and hung up on the shelf. Or placed up on the shelf, however you want to say it. So alrighty, folks. I'll be back as soon as I get everything laid out on the bench here. And then I will start making some decisions. Thanks again, everybody, for joining me. See you in a minute. So check it out, guys. To build this kit the way I'm going to build it as a stock vehicle, 32 parts plus some chrome, but actual molded in color parts is 32 pieces. It cracks me up. And the plastic is very thin. Watch this. This is how thin this stuff is. Okay, I can't make it out here. The light's not that good. Let me try this. Look at, you can see my finger through the plastic. And remember, this is molded in yellow, but that's how thin this stuff is. You can actually see basically right through it. Cracks me up. Anyway, back in a minute. Quick update on the 65 Chevelle station wagon. Interior's completed. Like it's not really a nutmeg brown, it's just kind of a tannish brown. Seat belts are in, shifter, steering wheel, all that good stuff. Engine's complete, little small block 327. And then this will be the bottom of it. It's pretty basic, absolutely no detail whatsoever. It's a quick build. But I realized that halfway through here, I realized I hadn't done a update on this one, so this is it. The next shot will probably be the completion. Alrighty, so there it is, guys. We're gonna call this one Grandma's Grocery Getter. This kit was very basic. Now I had this. I purchased this kit back in 1986. I had to look at the box. It's off camera here. 1986 I bought it, and I was so excited to get it. And now, 39 years later, kind of disappointed because the kit was basic. A lot of issues with it. A lot of fitment issues. As you can see right here, the hood doesn't even fit properly. I had it on there, and then once I painted it, like it swelled it up from the paint or something. So I'll have to file that down before I am completed with it. But there it is. I mean, it's really nice looking. It's done in a polo green with, like I said earlier, the brownish tan interior. A lot of things on this kit were towards the custom and drag versions. The stock version didn't have a lot of options. And the hood, once again, left that right off. There's the engine. It doesn't even sit in there that well. There's one little mounting point at the tail of the transmission that mounts to it. There's no space to put the battery, so I just winged it and shoved it where I think it should be. But it was fun. I enjoyed the heck out of it because I've been wanting to build this one since 1986, like I said. And the funny thing is the model that you're going to see on Sunday, the next video, I actually started before this one, and I started building this one to give me something to do while paint and glue and that stuff was drying on the other one. So look forward to that one. That'll be out in a couple of days. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. And as always, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Help me grow this channel. I appreciate it. I'm having a blast. I hope you enjoy the content. And I will see you guys on the next one. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.